Swami Vivekananda was a renowned Indian Hindu monk and a key figure in the introduction of Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. He left behind a wealth of wisdom through his speeches and writings. Here are some quotes attributed to Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. The greatest sin is to think yourself weak. Take risks in your life. If you win, you may lead. If you lose, you may guide. Conquer yourself and the whole universe is yours. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. The more we come out and do good to others, the more our hearts will be purified. Do one thing at a time, and while doing it, put your whole soul into it to the exclusion of all else. Take the whole responsibility on your shoulders and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. The fire that warms us can also consume us. It is not the fault of the fire. Learn everything that is good from others, but bring it in and in your own way absorb it. Do not become others. The more you think of yourself as shining immortal soul, the more eager you will be to be absolutely free of matter, body, and senses. Strength is life, weakness is death. The mind is but the subtle part of the body. You must retain great strength in your mind and words. Dare to be free, dare to go as far as your thought leads, and dare to carry that out in your life. Self, despite my infinite faults, how can I hate anyone at the glimpse of a few faults? Purity, patience, and perseverance are the three essentials to success and, above all, love. We are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. God is to be worshipped as the one beloved, dearer than everything in this and the next life. Intellectually and spiritually, reject it as poison. Never think there is anything impossible for the soul. Fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideals, place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourselves. If you want to have life, you have to die every moment for it. The will is not free, it is a phenomenon bound by cause and effect, but there is something behind the will which is free. Everything that is excellent will come when the sleeping soul is aroused to self-conscious activity. The world is ready to give up its secrets if we only know how to knock, how to give it the necessary blow. Do not wait for anybody or anything. Do whatever you can. Build your hope on none. Do not figure out big plans at first, but begin slowly, feel your ground, and proceed up and up. Never look back, never look back. What is done, dust your feet off and go forward. The greatest help to spiritual life is meditation. In meditation, we divest ourselves of all material conditions and feel our divine nature. The moment I have realized God sitting in the temple of every human body, the moment I stand in reverence before every human being and see God in him, that moment I am free from bondage, everything that binds vanishes, and I am free. He is an atheist who does not believe in himself. The old religion said that he was an atheist who did not believe in God. The new religion says that he is an atheist who does not believe in himself. You will be nearer to heaven through football than through the study of the Gita. They alone live who live for others, the rest are more dead than alive. It is love and love alone that I preach, and I base my teaching on the great Vedantic truth of the sameness and omnipresence of the soul of the universe. The heart is the only book worth reading. The great secret of true success, of true happiness, is this: the man or woman who asks for no return, the perfectly unselfish person, is the most successful. This life is short, the vanities of the world are transient, but they alone live who live for others, the rest are more dead than alive. Whatever you think, that you will be. If you think yourselves weak, weak you will be. If you think yourselves strong, strong you will be. Be perfectly resigned, perfectly unconcerned, then alone can you do any true work. No eyes can see the real forces, we can only see the results. Put out self, forget it. Just let God work, it is His business. Bless people when they revile you. Think how much good they are doing by helping to stamp out the false ego. Condemn none. If you can stretch out a helping hand, do so. If you cannot, fold your hands, bless your brothers, and let them go their own way. The great thing is to be honest, to be sincere, to be pure. To be good and to do good, that is the whole of religion. My hope of the future lies in the youths of character, intelligent, renouncing all for the service of others, and obedient, good to themselves and the country. The profound wisdom and timeless teachings of Swami Vivekananda, encouraging us to live a purposeful, selfless, and spiritually awakened life.